Have you ever wanted to make a cartoon DeSantis dance? Today's AI tool review: Animation AI from Meta. So this is actually a pretty easy tool to use. Here we just kind of found a picture of DeSantis online. One thing that we had to do outside this tool was to kind of isolate DeSantis in the image itself. So we used PicWish, putting that file of the solo Santis back into the MetaLab animation tool. We're able to kind of start using the AI portion of it. And this, I think, is a really important part to pause and talk about what actually is going on the algorithm side here. Like most things AI or ML based, it starts with a strong data set. So there's a stock of images, animations of different shapes and sizes, different movements that the entire algorithm is based on. The smart layout feature is the actual application of the data set. That's the relative matching of your image or animation to those in the data set that are similar. That's where those dots come into play. It's a estimated guess of where the knee is, the nose is, the ears are, kind of the main parts of your animation that are going to start moving. So the animation action is occurring through a supervised learning model. It's the relationship between the input, your image, and the output, the movement you want your image to take in this X by X grid. It's likely a linear regression based algorithm, so it's predicting how the different parts of your image should be resized and move and change given the planar constraints at hand.
We also decided to take a look at what could the team behind this build in order to level up this product. The first idea we came up with was narration. Simply adding a voiceover or some other context could bring a lot of life to whatever animation you're trying to make. Second would be adding multiple characters. Allowing characters to interact with one another or at least just coexist on the screen would make a lot more dynamic product and make it a lot more interesting. And lastly, the ability to add a background, whether mid-journey, stable diffusion, or just uploading a photo. Giving the user the ability to add a background would make it feel a lot more polished, make it feel like a real animated scene. Could make it more shareable, more viral, and just an overall better product.